Everyone, this is Sai from Tech with King. I'm back with another new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Instagram in your PC so that you can log in with your ID. So without any wasting of time, so let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have internet connection in your PC. So as you can see, I've connected with my internet connection. So first of all, you have to open a Chrome browser. And I give you the link description. You can copy and paste, or you can directly search the in Chrome web browser for this extension. This is web for Instagram plus dam. So this is the Instagram for the Chrome browser. You can directly add this extension to your keyboard here. Directly you can add the extension here. As you can see, I have added the speed test flash player. In a previous video I already shown about the speed test, how you can test your internet speed connection of your PC. So you can check out my previous video. So this is the Instagram for the Chrome extension. So let me just click to add to Chrome. So as you can see, web for Instagram is added to the Chrome. Here you can see the notification and automatically it detects my Gmail. So now I show you the Instagram that we are already added to Chrome. So here is the Instagram. Let me just close it. So if you want to open the Instagram, just open the Chrome. It will permanently set here until you remove that. If you want to remove, just click to remove from Chrome. So here is the Instagram. Just right click and you can do a lot of things from here. Hide in Chrome menu, remove from Chrome, options, Grow Premium. So this is the more options. So let me just click the and open the Instagram. So it takes some time at the first attempt, so you have to follow the tutorial instructions. Let me just skip all the instructions, and here is the Instagram for your PC added in the extension. So I'm going to log in and come back again. So I have logged in my Instagram. So as you can see, this is my Instagram ID. So you have to just log in. Let me show you the full features of this Instagram extension. So here is you can change the color screen, multi-window accounts. You can add multiple accounts. Innocent browsing means if you are doing anything in your Instagram, that will not record in this Instagram. So here is the more features. So this is the back, this is the forward, and this is the refresh button. Let me just zoom and show you. So this is the back button, this is the forward, this button is for refresh, settings, sidebar on off, white bar, logout. This is button for the logout, and this is for auto start, change between Instagram and Facebook. This is it. So you can also log in your messenger using this extension. So as you can see, I can wide screen and I can change the screen like this. So here is my Instagram ID. As you can see, here is my YouTube's Instagram ID. You can follow me on Instagram, so you can get daily updates on my Instagram. So I can also chat with my friends directly. So I did not require any extra extension for the chatting. In here I can chat chat. So I can also upload photos, videos in this extension. I can also play videos, and I can also save the image, but you have to upgrade to premium for these options. And I can also take the screenshot of these pages. So here is the Instagram for the PC. So you can directly minimize. So as you can see, it will be minimized here, and if you click to here, it will be opened automatically. Open it. So you can multitask using Instagram also. So you have to log out. You want to log out, just click to log out, and it will be automatically log out from here. So it is the Instagram. Again, you can log in from here, and you can add multiple accounts. So here is the Instagram for the PC in Chrome. This video, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments.